Chicken is good, chicken is cheap, and that's why today we're going to be making yet another chicken recipe. What I have for you today is a paprika baked chicken thigh. It's going to come out good. What I need you to do first is preheat that oven to 425, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started here on Cook! Don't be lazy! So take a small bowl because we need to make our spice mix for our chicken. Start off with smoked paprika. Smoked paprika, not regular paprika. Makes a difference. We're going to do about 4 tablespoons. 3 or 4 tablespoons smoked paprika. Take some garlic powder. About 2 tablespoons. And I'm out. So that's going to have to do. Some onion powder. About a tablespoon. Black pepper. I like to do puffs. 1, 2, 3 puffs. A little bit of cayenne. Maybe about a teaspoon. Just for a little kick. You want it spicier? Go for more. Brown sugar. About 2 or 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Mayonnaise, real, not fake. Don't use that whip. Do 1, 2 nice spoonfuls of mayonnaise. Some parsley flakes. Come on, get in there. Shake it, shake it, shake it. All right. That's kind of more of a slight garnishment. A little bit of salt. And get this mixed in. Let's move this off to the side. Get yourself a casserole dish. Let me show you what we're going to do with this guy. Now, because we're dealing with sugar, take some cooking spray. Spray your casserole dish or line it with aluminum foil if you're using a sheet pan. And this is going to make cleanup a little easier because, like I said, since we're dealing with brown sugar, this is going to burn some. So taking care of this step will help make cleanup a little easier. Now, here's what I'm going to try and do. Let me get this guy off to the side. Take your boneless, skinless chicken. Dip it in your mix. Put it in your tray, in your casserole dish. Now get in there with your hands and get that seasoning mix all up in that chicken. Get your fingers all between those thighs. Oh yeah. Slippery, but that's the cost of putting your fingers between those thighs. Coat all the areas. Alright, wash your hands. So make sure those hands are clean because you're dealing with chicken. You don't want to cross-contaminate surfaces. Take your dish, put it in your preheated oven. How long are we going to cook this for? Roughly 30-35 minutes. Now again, be mindful, since we're dealing with sugar, it may look a little burnt. Don't be worried. We got to make sure that chicken is cooked. Let's not focus too much on that burnt look. It's going to look a little burnt, but we're going to be alright. It's going to taste really good. Only thing left after this, time to plate up. paprika baked chicken thighs. I'm ready to go nom 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 nom. So I'll see you guys next week here on Cook. Don't be lazy.